learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家话。
How is meat kept from spoiling during the hot summer season? The thrifty and innovative Hakka people coat fish and meat with a thin layer of red yeast during the preservation process. Red yeast is a delicious and healthy seasoning used in dishes such as pork chops. Locals also believe that red yeast aids digestion and improves heart conditions. So it comes as no surprise that this is a popular ingredient that appears in a variety of treats.
Yo, everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know what? I'm getting hungry again because lately I've fallen in love with this red marinated meat. It's pork, but it's marinated in some red dye. 最近呢，很喜歡吃這個所謂的紅糟肉啊。
哦，走馬肉啦。
叫走馬牛啊。
對。
OK， 好像走馬燈哦，走馬牛。
不是。
Okay, that's the name of this red marinated meat. But I've always thought it's 颜料，它不是颜料，对不对？It's actually something else. 它到底是什么？而且好像很多客家菜都会鱼肉啦，都会涂上这个东西啊。
对啊，其实那个它就是凤 Q， 对，它就是红曲。
红曲 ，OK， 这最近常听说啊。
对啊，
因为现在很多食品
很好。
对，很多食品现在很喜欢加这个红曲，然后连茶里面都有啊。
对啊，饼干也有。
对。This is an ingredient that they use. It's actually the red yeast, and in recent years they found it to be pretty healthy. So in different items you can find red yeast as well, whether it be crackers or green tea. 所以这就是红曲就对了。那为什么要涂这个？
其实以前的客家人，他的可能比较没有那个冷藏的设备，就像肉类的东西很容易坏掉嘛，
对，
所以呢，他们就把那个红曲涂在上面，就让肉就可以保存的比较久。
那没想到现在还发现它有这个保健这个胃的这种功能，
对
不对？
对胃啊，对脾脏啊，那些身体都比较好的。
Wow, okay, so this red yeast is becoming very popular and useful in many senses because first of all, originally the Hakka used this to preserve the meat longer, but nowadays they found that it's got a lot of healthy properties. So try it next time, don't be afraid. It looks very artificial, but it's not. It's actually a type of yeast. So let's go ahead and review these terms. It's the red marinated pork meat, 红糟肉，
走马牛，
and then you have the red yeast, 也就是红曲，
凤 Q。
So there you have it. Don't be afraid to eat this next time. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么大家？
案子谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.